It is got to be our language. Even the script we read in English, let us forget about English. Colonization is still part of our problem, and is still adding to the problem up till now. In his speech, he said our language, we are losing it completely. How many of our children can speak it? The same thing applies to me. Unfortunately, myself, I have 4 children. My children cannot speak my language. It's a shame. It's a big shame for me. And I'm not even sure whether these children will be going back to Nigeria with me. Yes. I can only encourage, I cannot force them to go back home. I wish Yorubas can organize the same thing we are doing here tonight. Because I'm really happy to hear what is going on here. My main comment is going to be on leadership. Mr. Charles, on easy lies the head that wears the crown. I want you to remember this very seriously. I have been a chairman of an organization in the UK, and I know what it means to get people together. When a gathering comes round, people want to come round and benefit. But when you call meetings, they don't turn up. You should not allow that to discourage you. You've got to forge ahead. You have started it, and I'm going to pray in the name of Jesus. You are going to make a headway. You are going to be successful. And as I'm going back to UK myself, I am thinking very seriously. An organization of this nature, I am going to reform what they call the Old People. And I am making sure that I am making the job to do. I'm going to continue to help you all. And this is not going to be the end to this gathering. Don't make it a yearly event, as the Senate President said. Let us work on a monthly basis. Let us know where we are going. Let us rediscover ourselves. And God bless you all. Thank you very much.
And finally, you know, as another side is introducing, I'm going to introduce who is a medical doctor in our midst.
Segura.
We have a clinic here. Dr. Peter Akon. Please could you come on and tell Dr. Dumoganso, Dr. before
O ya sabes cómo hacerlo. Me voy a jugar ahí. Vale. No manches el vestido. Mamá dijo que no, mamá dijo que no me eches en la oreja. Digo que no manches el vestido.
Just like the people who are Congress, I went on my US. Totally of Chile delivered an invitation. She said, come, your brothers and sisters want you. They want to see you. So, today, I close down the clinic. I will go and join my brothers and sisters. Anyway, what I do, I deliver babies. I do women surgery. If you are married and you cannot have children, I will make it possible with the power of God.
who are present here today. Ana masị Chineke mgbe onye ọbụla nọ ebe a ga-ana ka Chineke grant anya Johnny Messi to destination ebe o si bịa. Anyị mabụkwanụ ndị hosturu ihe here na Valencia ka Chineke na-agbakwa anyị ume. Ihe anyị mụta taa bụ ezigbote ihe mmụta. Onye na-arịọ ọjụ onwe ya ajụjụ Igbo kwesị olu.
maka na o nwere ife na-aga n'ụwa nke anyị Chukwu na-amasị. Ya anyị na-echeta Chukwu n'ife ọbụla anyị na-eme n'ụwa, anyị bube Chukwu ụzọ maka na Jizọs